Hello friends, today we will take a look at the format painter option in Excel. Okay, this is a great time saving tool in Excel because whenever you are presenting data you need to do a lot of formatting, and to save time it is always better to copy the formatting from a predetermined cell to the target cell. So let's see how to do this. You are seeing the screen open in front of you. The format painter is actually available under the home tabs in toolbar. If you go over here home, the first tab what you see on the left hand side is the clipboard tab. In this clipboard tab you have this small brush like option. Okay, so if you hover over that, it will give you the name as format painter. So let us see how to use this format painter to copy the format from one cell to another. So for example, let us see this particular cell over here. This cell I have made it as bold. Okay, so suppose I want to apply this bold feature to some other cell. So how I will go about is I will select this cell which is my source cell for the formatting. If I want to copy formatting from this particular cell, okay, then I will go to the format painter over here and click on this. Once you click on this and you come down, you see the cursor has changed. Okay, the cursor has a brush attached to it, means the format painter is active. Now for example, if you want to apply this formatting to this particular cell over here, okay, so I click on this particular cell and you see the format has been copied. What Excel has done is it has gone over here and it has copied the format from this cell to this cell. Okay, but one strange thing or one thing that is to be noticed is the cursor has changed back to normal. That means I can apply this right now only once. Okay, I can apply this only once to a cell or to a range of cells. Okay, that is not a problem. But suppose I want to apply this at various different locations in a worksheet. What I do is I go to the target cell, the source cell, okay, from where I want to copy the format. Then I go again format, and this time instead of single click, I will double click. Okay, once I double click, you bring down your cursor down where you want to apply the format. Now if you see, I can click on the target and you see the cursor is still in the painting mode. So I can select wherever I want to apply this formatting. Okay, so for example, once I finish applying the formatting to the desired cells, to get out of this mode, I have to just press the escape key. My escape key, once I press the escape key, the painter mode will be deactivated. So I am going to press the escape key right now. Just keep a watch on the cursor. That's it. If you see, the cursor has turned back to normal. If I want to go there again, I have to go there to the format painter again and double click once again. So this is how you copy the format of one cell to another. This can be a single cell or it can be multiple cells. For example, I can make this as bold. I can click the format painter and I can make this. I can select the whole row. Okay, so the effect of the format painting applied to the whole row. Okay, I hope this is clear. Do let me know whether you like this video or not. Okay, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share it with others. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos.